Welcome back to another live session. Today I'm super excited because we're talking about one of my favorite categories, that is ethnic fashion. I love traditional Indian outfits. So today I'll be showing you three beautiful pink outfits that are like perfect for festivals, weddings and special occasions. Also, these are bestsellers on Dista and loved by NRA customers. So moving to the very first outfit, this gorgeous tissue pink embellished sari. The very first thing you'll notice is this fabric. This is a tissue sari which is lightweight, soft and has a natural shine. When light falls on it, it gives you that soft, shimmery, elegant glow. It looks super amazing on camera and in real life as well. Next is this color. This is a soft pink shade which is super classy and feminine. This suits all skin tones, and this is the perfect sari if you like, something elegant and subtle looks. Let's talk about this border. This has a mirror work along with this gold detailing and these pearl beads. This elevates the entire sari. This sari is perfect for engagements, festive parties or even wedding functions. You can style this with some simple gold pearl jewelry. This is a perfect choice if you want something graceful, light and stylish. Moving to the next outfit, this stunning pink and gold patchni sari. This sari is all about tradition and richness. This sari is made from silk blend fabric, that is richness of silk and super comfortable and easy to wear. This sari is little heavier than the previous tissue sari, so it just beautifully falls really well and looks so premium. This is my favorite part. This peacock designs, it adds a traditional and artistic touch. These peacock designs are now pretty popular and famous in Indian fashion. This represents grace, beauty and royalty, and which is something never goes out of style. This pink and gold combination is classic and feminine. This is like perfect for weddings, pujas, festivals and family functions. If you want to make a statement, without adding or doing too much, this sari is a perfect choice for you. You can style this with some traditional gold jewelries, bangles, bun with gajra and roses. Instantly get that royal and elegant look. If you love traditional Indian wear, this sari is a must-have. Moving to our next outfit, we have this pink silk straight suit kurta set. This is a straight fit kurta which is flattering and easy to wear. So it's all body type. This has this knot neckline and 3/4 sleeves with some gold detailing. This is pretty perfect for festive occasions, and also this has this mirror work. This adds right amount of sparkle without making it too heavy. This is perfect for festive wear. This is made of silk and also it has lining inside which is super smooth and comfortable to wear. If you want to look ethnic but you want something very comfortable and flowy, this is a perfect kurta set for you. It comes with a dupatta. This is so pretty, right? Can you see that? This is so flowy and it has this gold prints on it, and this is like perfect for festive days, family get-togethers, office celebrations and casual functions. You can wear this with jutis, heels, jhumkas, and you will get that easy, elegant and versatile look. So that's it for today. If you like anything specific in these outfits, you can definitely let us know, and all these outfits are available on Dista. Do check them out. Thank you so much for joining us today. See you soon. Bye.